Hey folks, Technivorous here. I am back again with another 3D printing resin review. It is another Elegoo product, and this is a translucent red. So we'll jump right into this review right now. The Technivorous channel is brought to you by these fine Patreon supporters. If you'd like to check us out on Patreon, pop over to www.patreon.com/Technivorous. That's TECHNIVOROUS. Here, we do our best to stay up to date on the latest and greatest in 3D printing and tech and keep you informed on the latest developments in these sectors. So, if you're interested in getting updates on 3D printing or technology such as programming, robotics, artificial intelligence, and things of that nature, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, leave a like on this video, and comment about what you'd like to see in the future because we make these videos for you. Alright, so the translucent red. If you saw my clear translucent video from Elegoo, you'll know that they do put a lot of information right on their bottle. The exposure time for the bottom is 60 seconds. Normal layer exposure time is 8 seconds. I had no problems using those settings. Everything came out pretty much flawless. So, I'll show you a couple of models I did here. This time I decided to go with the red lantern ring, and it came out phenomenal. I'm very, very happy with this. You can see I print a lot of these. I do quite a bit of the lantern rings. It's one of the reasons I got this red, and it came out very nice. One of the other models I made was this guy right here. Now this is pretty interesting, just a little decorative dagger. Obviously, it is not for actual use, but it is kind of sharp, to be honest. So I probably could cut something with it, although I definitely don't recommend that. This handle piece here is obviously not the resin we're looking at, but it came out very, very nice, and I'm pretty pleased with this stuff. So if you're interested in a translucent red, you really can't go wrong. As I said before, Elegoo has very, very nice resins, and I can definitely recommend giving them a shot. And that's going to be it for this video. We have a couple more resin reviews coming up today, and we hope to see you in the next one. Well, that's it, guys. That's going to wrap up this video. If you've noticed the shirt, the merch is available. Go ahead and check out the Teespring merch link down below. It won't be available on a channel store until I reach 10,000 subscribers, and so far I am just about to hit 5,000. So it'll be a little while, a couple more months before you see this on the actual channel, but they are available now. I have a couple other designs. Feel free to pop over there and check them out, and know that any purchase through the Teespring site definitely helps to promote our site here and increase the channel's ability to make videos in the future. So we appreciate all your support. Don't forget to check out the Teespring link, check out our Patreon link, leave a like on this video, and hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more coming at you in the coming days.